Welcome back to my channel, Evo's Edible Creation. I'm Evo. So today, thanks to St. Patrick's Day, we're gonna make something special. We're gonna make not two green drinks, but we're gonna make one green drink I know for sure that's American, and then we're gonna do one of our Irish classics. Before we get started, I want everybody in the comments below right now tell my father happy birthday, because his birthday is on St. Patrick's Day today, which is his birthday, St. Patrick's Day. Let's get started. So the first thing that we need for this drink, which everybody know when you see Hpnotiq and Hennessy, is called Incredible Hulk. Big Leprechaun American know, so that's a classic for Americans. So that's what we're gonna make today, Incredible Hulk. First, I'm gonna get my ice that's already over here. Pour some in here. I think that should be enough right now, but I'm the only one drinking. So, and then we're going to, the store ran out of this. I guess everybody in America is about to make Incredible Hulk. So these are the only little bottles I can find. Hit that with that move right there. I'm gonna pour the whole. I think the whole bottle is good enough. And then you already know. Alright, y'all. So now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to pour this Hennessy in. We're gonna hit that move right there. I think that should be enough right there. But the Incredible Hulk is a strong drink. That's why they call it Incredible Hulk. So, but we're gonna break it up for y'all amateurs. So I'm gonna get some lemonade. Just a little bit of lemonade right here. Freshly opened. Just pour a little bit of that in there. Not too much, If you want some more, you can pour it in on top of your drink and that. And then as you can tell, we got all these Jolly Ranchers, just a little more flavor. So right now I got 10 of each, 10 blues, 10 greens. And I'm just gonna dump them in. I'll see y'all when I finish. Alright, now I got all my Jolly Ranchers in. Like I said, I used the blue and the green, or the apple and the blueberry, whatever it is. So it's 20 more minutes. Go ahead and blend this up. Put this on icy drink. Okay, don't do that, people, because it wasn't on yet. So hit the button first before you get started. Alright, so that's one blend. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it ain't all the way chopped up, so we're gonna go ahead and run it again. So now that my drink is finished blending up, let's go ahead and pour it. Told you, it's a simple recipe, Incredible Hulk, American classic. Let's go ahead and fill up the Fill it up a little too much, but I'm gonna finish it out tonight. Come on. Now, boom. I put my garnish on top. These are chewy Jolly Ranchers too. So there y'all have it. American's classic, Incredible Hulk, aka our giant leprechaun. So, like I said, I'm gonna make two drinks today. This one, American, and then we got to go to a classic for Ireland. The Irish coffee. So let's go ahead and get that started. Now we're back for the second drink, an Irish coffee. So these are the things you're gonna need. Heavy whipping cream. I don't have no shaker cup, so I got a protein shake. So we're gonna use that with the ball inside. Irish whiskey, Jameson. Please comment below and tell me why do I have to put warm water in before I pour everything in, but I'm gonna follow their instructions. I put warm water in here in my cup. They use dark brown sugar, so I had a little light brown sugar, but we still gonna use it. And black coffee. Let's make this Irish coffee, y'all. So first thing, after we use our cup, we're gonna just pour the water out. I don't know what was the reason for this, but we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna take our sugar. We're gonna put a little bit at it. We need a little more, we'll do it. This is hot coffee, people. So they put a little bit in and stirred it until the sugar dissolved. It smells good. There ain't nothing in here. It's Folgers, y'all. It's Folgers. We're gonna stir it up. Then it's Irish coffee. You gotta have liquor in it. Gonna put a little Jameson in here. That should be enough. I don't know how coffee tastes, but that should be enough. And let's pour a little more in it. At the same time, we're gonna stir. We're gonna try to still break it up and let everything mixture. We're gonna stop stirring for a second. Let's pour this in. And like I said, we got heavy whipping cream in here. If you got regular whipping cream, you can use that too. But we got heavy whipping cream. We'll go ahead and shake it up a little bit. Get the shaking going. That should be enough shaking. Oh yeah, it works. It's thick. I wonder if we can pour out. Oh, it's good. It should be good. Now we shook this up. Let's go ahead and layer it. If it ever come out. It's coming though. You gotta lay it. Lay it on the back of your spoon. Cause we don't want it to. Look at the ball trying to come out too, y'all. I hope my black Irish people ain't gonna be bad at me. We're just gonna do it like this, y'all. We're gonna lay it on top. You gotta get that nice effect. There you got it, right there. Irish coffee. Let's see how it tastes. That ain't bad. I don't even taste the Jameson in there. So, you want a little more sweeter, put some more sugar in there. There y'all go right there. Irish coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and my Incredible Hulk drink with me.